Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to fix my Gmail not receiving emails on my iPhone. If Gmail is not receiving emails on your iPhone, the issue may be caused by your internet connection, account settings, or sync preferences. In many cases, checking a few settings and refreshing your account can restore normal email delivery. Follow these steps to troubleshoot the problem and get your Gmail working again. To begin, make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data network. Open the Mail app and swipe down in your Gmail inbox to refresh it. Check whether Gmail is receiving your messages by signing in to Gmail in a web browser. Open the Settings app and tap Apps, then Mail. Tap Mail Accounts or Accounts on some iOS versions. Then select your Gmail account. Verify that Mail is turned on for your Gmail account. Go back to Mail, Mail Accounts, and select Fetch New Data. Make sure Push or Fetch is configured appropriately, automatically, and set Gmail to Fetch if available. Restart your iPhone to refresh its system and mail services. Check that you have enough available storage on your iPhone for new emails and attachments. Remove your Gmail account from your iPhone if the issue continues. Update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS if a software update is available. If Gmail still is not receiving emails, just open the Gmail app or contact your email administrator or Google support for additional troubleshooting. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.